What are you doing, friend?
I'm practicing my thinking face.
I think your thinking face is broken.
Hello, I'm Catherine from Magic Ears.
And I am Anna from Magic Ears. Welcome to our new segment, A Hero's...
Whoa. So today, our topic is the thinking face.
The what now?
The thinking face. Okay, so online students are just like students in a regular real life classroom.
Okay.
They need time to process the content that they've been presented in each lesson.
Cool. But, okay, so I'm just supposed to sit there and stare at them blankly while they think?
I've had that problem myself. I'm a very active person. Don't know if you've noticed. And so I'm a very active teacher as well. You know, I actually like to run my classroom kind of like it's my own children's show. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. This is an apple.
Apple?
No, an apple.
Apple?
Oh, Anna. And now, back to our regularly scheduled program.
Okay, well, I mean, how are we supposed to give students time to think, time to process, time to understand the lesson, and also keep the class engaging all at the same time?
That's easy, Anna. That is when you use the thinking face.
It's a lot of faces. You're doing a lot. Don't really.
That's the thinking face. You try. Maybe a little less aggressive, a little less creepy, a little less constipated, a little less scared, a little less alien-like. Ooh, that's it. That's your thinking face.
This one?
Yes, I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it.
That's really hard to do. Should I keep like this all about?
Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
No, it's not good.
Who is she?
I have no clue.
I show you how it's done.
Oh, actually, that's
Wow.
actually
Yeah.
that's a good one.
I know.
I'll give it to her. That's a good thinking face.
Let's see more on the Facebook.
the Facebook.
We see Teacher Jen here employing the strong but silent thinking face. Let's see what the judges think. Oh, 10 from Anna and Catherine. Oh, a 4 from Judge Cari. Shame. Now we have Teacher Justin. Oh, look at him with his thinking face. Good use of finger, Teacher Justin. Oh my. Let's see what the judges think. 10s from Anna and Catherine. 4.5 from Cari. Oh, what a tough judge to please. Now we have Teacher Caitlin. Ooh, she's very animated. Really using that finger well. 10s from Catherine and Anna. And an 8.5 from Judge Cari.
Yeah, it's very good. Magic Ears is good place. We give teachers tools to succeed in classroom, to make the students succeed in the real life.
Well, for more great tips like this one, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification button, and tune in next time for more great teaching tips.
And if you want to become a hero to thousands of Chinese children, hit the link below and come and teach with us. And we'll see you next time.
What are you thinking about? No, I want you to think about biology. Help me?
Biology.
Think about biology.
Okay.
Think about the chromosomes. I mean, think hard.
Can't think anymore.